Hello and welcome. Uh, Day 4, question 4. Question 4 is a general programming question. As a data scientist, you may ask you different kinds of questions that will help to measure your problem solving skills. So in this question, I am prepared a general programming question. That general programming question, you may ask it to solve that problem using different programming language. You are not required to solve that language using a specific, question using a specific programming language. You can solve that question in any programming language. You are not limited to a specific or one programming language. All right. So the general programming question I'm going to solve for today's data science interview preparation is, it is just finding the maximum difference in an integer array. That is, there is an integer array. From that integer array, just find the maximum difference between two elements in the array. And also find which index is best for that that give it the maximum differences. So in this question, given a certain array of integers as x, and you will ask to tell which indexes will give the maximum difference between them. Let's say index I and j, which x index j minus x index I gives the largest difference for any I and j in the array, where j is greater than I. So this is the question you are going to solve. If you may ask just like this question. So you have to think about how to solve this programming problems. This is a problem you are given. So you are going to think about the efficient way of to solve this in order to solve this problem. So actually, you are not required to find efficient way, but you can give sufficient answer for these programming problems. All right. So in this programming problem, while given a certain integer of arrays, so what you are asked is find the maximum difference between two arrays. But in this question, you are asked to find at which position that the maximum difference gives, at which position that the difference between the two arrays give the largest difference. So you are going to find that's I, j, and the best I, best j, and the maximum difference as well. So to solve this problem, I'm going to use just this, and I'm going to, let's say we have given x the array. I'm going to use Python. So you are not required to use only Python. You can use any programming language you know about. So maximum difference, let x. So here, let's define best best j, where j is greater than I. Best j I1 and best I is 0. In this case, you can find best way to solve this problem. Actually, don't limit it to my solution. You can, because you can solve this problem in different ways, but it should be efficient way of solving this problem. But I'm not thinking about this solution is efficient, or we should try different ways and just calculate the execution time to see the best way of solving this problem, the best way. All right, the maximum difference is x index j minus, x index 1 minus x index 0. For every j in the range of length x, length of x, so because j is greater than I, so we are just finding the position of the arrays by calculating the length of the array and store into I, and j. Then the next, the inner loop going to find for I in range of j. In this case, we are going to compare the maximum difference between the j and I, and store that maximum difference. The maximum, x index j minus x index I greater than if maximum difference, if x index j minus x index I greater than maximum difference, the initial maximum difference, just update the maximum difference is x j minus x index I, and also update the best j. The best j is j, and the best I is I. This store the position, at what position that the maximum difference, that gives the maximum difference. Then now we are going to return maximum difference and best j and best I. Use different ways to solve this question. All right, and you can also find the best j and the best I from this array of integers, at which position that gives the largest differences. So this is the programming question. Next time we will see another question for data science interview preparation. For today, thanks for watching. Watch the next video.